You sit at your desk. The laptop opens, the glow of the screen washes over you. Your fingers hover, start a task with all the energy in the world. But then, 5 minutes later, you're scrolling. You're wandering. You're watching cat videos, while your dreams sit untouched in the background. Here's the truth. You're not lazy. You're not weak. Your willpower isn't broken. What you're missing is focus. And today, we're stepping into the art of focus, the kind that cuts through distractions, unlocks deep work, and transforms someday into done. Focus is hard because our brains are designed to get distracted. Notifications, social media, emails, they're all tiny dopamine hits that hijack your attention. Multitasking gives the illusion of productivity, but it actually kills focus. Your brain can only handle one deep thought at a time. Stress and fatigue make focus nearly impossible. When your mind is scattered, every little distraction becomes irresistible. The first step to mastering focus is understanding these traps. Awareness is the key. So, what's the secret? It's simple but powerful. Structure your environment, not your willpower. Eliminate distractions first. Turn off notifications, block social media, silence unnecessary apps. Create a dedicated workspace. Your brain associates your desk or studio with work, not scrolling or daydreaming. Use time blocks. Focus in short, intense bursts, like 50 minutes of work, 10 minutes of rest. This is known as the Pomodoro technique. Set clear intentions. Know exactly what you want to accomplish in each session. A vague goal equals scattered focus. Focus isn't about pushing harder. It's about removing what steals your attention. Your ability to focus is like a muscle. It can be trained. Here's how. Morning routines. Start your day with clarity, not chaos. Even 10 minutes of journaling or planning helps. Mindfulness or meditation, this strengthens your brain's attention span. Just a few minutes a day can dramatically improve focus. Regular breaks. Working without breaks leads to burnout. Short, intentional breaks reset your brain. Physical health. Sleep, nutrition, and exercise directly impact your cognitive focus. Combine these habits, and your focus becomes effortless. True focus requires the mindset of deep work. Embrace discomfort. Focus feels hard at first because your brain resists sustained attention. Ignore instant gratification. Say no to scrolling, checking messages, or multitasking. Prioritize high-impact tasks. Focus on work that actually moves the needle, not just busy work. Protect your attention like it's your most valuable asset, because it is. When you master this mindset, hours of deep work feel natural and productivity skyrockets. Here's how to apply it today. Pick one task you want to finish today. Remove all distractions for the next 50 minutes. Use a timer and commit fully. Take a short break after and reflect. Do this consistently and you'll notice something amazing. Focus isn't elusive anymore. It becomes your default state. So the next time you feel distracted or overwhelmed, remember, it's not a lack of willpower. It's a lack of structure. Remove distractions, train your habits, and protect your attention. Comment below. What's one thing you're focusing on today?
Yes, you made it all the way to the end. Congratulations. We're Bangalow, and our whole thing is helping you stay productive, assist you to build your brand, and on track to crush your goals. If you're vibing with this, hit like, drop a comment so we can chat, and of course, subscribe our channel so you don't miss the next one. Catch you in the next video. Until then, keep dreaming.